Jonathan Michael Ray's work considers the passage of time and how histories are formed. As celebrated and award-winning artist, Ray has won his success by being carefully mindful of the objects and forms around him and their histories. His exhibition, Long Way Home, looks at the changing meaning of objects as they are taken out of their original time or environment. He thoughtfully places these bricks, for example, found along the banks of London's River Thames, each handmade but reshaped by history and time, brought into a new environment now and being given new form and use. Another work, Holy Reunion, brings together different parts of a damaged and abandoned stained glass window, which the artist has reappropriated into a fresh, new form, connecting it to a new presence and a new context. These limestone blocks or stela stand like tombstones to a conjoined past. They're engraved and gilded with drawings and shapes collected by the artist on a visit to Portugal and Spain, where the urban fabric brought together elements of the town's medieval Christian and Islamic past, as well as modern-day graffiti. These are like lost things being brought together, Ray says.